Hey y'all, this is Kenzie Johnson at Algin Realty. I'm here at my new listing today at 3325 Pratt Way in Bethlehem, Georgia. This house is nestled just inside a new neighborhood to Bethlehem. It offers a junior-size Olympic swimming pool, a playground, and a cabana. This home was built in 2021, but the sellers have continued to make upgrades to it worth well over $50,000. The open floor plan offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3,050 square feet. Come on, let's go take a look. Walking through the front door, you step foot onto your hardwood foyer. To the right of the foyer, you have your private dining room with large windows showing off the beautiful manicured front lawn. The kitchen is host to granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a coffee bar, and an expansive island that feeds into the living room. In the living room, you have once again large windows letting in natural light with a beautiful fireplace catty-cornered. Right off of the living room, you do have a guest bedroom with a large closet and a full bathroom with a step-in shower. Upstairs you have the owner's suite with an attached owner's bathroom that features a double vanity, a large walk-in shower, and an even larger walk-in closet. Upstairs you also have 3 additional bedrooms, an additional guest bathroom with a tub shower combo, and a loft area which can be viewed from the kitchen. The loft area is perfect for hanging out, a second living, a game room, or even a media area. Stepping foot into the backyard, you are given so much privacy with a 6-foot wooden privacy fence less than a year old. You also have a covered patio, uncovered patio, and a fire pit. Perfect for hosting any friends. Once again, I'm Kenzie Johnson with Algin Realty. This is my listing at 3325 Pratt Way. And if this home checks all of your boxes, go ahead and give me a call and let's set up a private showing today.